Show, and this is week 3 of my trading on Cash App, and I'm trading the PG&E stock. As you can see, I'm up $3.80, coming out of $58 invested. So that's a pretty good profit. So I'm going to sell at this point, and I'll reinvest it immediately after that if the stock drops a little bit, so that I get in again at a point where I can make a profit. So this is what I'm doing right now, selling the stock, and it will ask for my pin. Enter the pin, sell PG&E, confirmed, and away we go. So I've done that. Now what I don't know is whether Cash App has a day trade limit. That means you can't buy and sell the same stock more than once per day. But right now I'm just winging it, and this is how what I'm doing. So my investment right now, that means the stock I have, the money I have to trade is $1.70 left from the $60. So $60 is in my account now, and it's not being traded. So basically, it's safe. We're gonna go ahead and reinvest that $61 and see what we get out of that. Not to be greedy. This section of the trade shows you what happens if you hold the trade too long and you don't follow your own advice. So I was doing great with the stock, and then on Friday, 13th and 14th, leading up to Friday, close of day, disaster happened. So I recorded this video on the 16th because I just was kicking myself, and this is what happened. So we were doing great, and then suddenly we had lost 3.34%. And if you can see the timeline here, we were doing great in reverse, and then suddenly things went haywire. So yeah, I should have sold at 61, and by then I was 3.1% profit, but I held it, and unfortunately the stock decided to just tumble. So within 2 days it had gone down 3.2% in my investment, which is not great, but hey, that's what happens when you hold a stock too long. And I would really advise people to be careful when you trade, because it's not a joke. You will lose your money. I'm lucky that I'm only trading 50 bucks here, but multiply that by 10, that would be 550 bucks. I would have lost 3% of that 500 bucks, which would add up to quite a bit of money. And if you were trading $5,000, you do the math and see where you would end up. So we ended up at $55, still $5 up from my initial of $50 investment. 50,000, I wish, but I'm not great. So this video just serves to say, be careful out there. Trading can be very, very risky. All right, this is Victor on the Let Me Explain show.